Next, I would like to call Tazmeen, daughter of Atiqur Rahman from 7th class. Her topic is Trust on Allah. Please come on the dais and speak a few words on Trust on Allah.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Honorable judges, respected teachers, and my dear mothers and sisters. On this special occasion, the topic which I want to talk about is trust on Allah. Allah Ta'ala says in Quran, وَتَوَكَّلْ عَلَى اللَّهِ وَكَفَى بِاللَّهِ وَكِيلًا. Put trust in Allah and Allah is enough. My dear mothers and sisters, trust Allah for everything. No matter what you lost, trust Allah. You win, trust Allah. You again, trust Allah. You have a problem, trust Allah. Things are not going in your ways, trust Allah. And even thank Him as Alhamdulillah. That's a very good habit. If you are feeling weak, cry to Him. Tell Him He knows what He wants to hear from you. So trust on Allah and always remember that Allah will never disappoint you. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.